Hi, this is Liberty from beforeandafters.com, and I want to show you what I did with my TV area. We had these built-ins put in several years ago, and I store a lot of books on them. I don't have anywhere else to put the books, so they needed to stay there, but it was looking cluttered. So I decided to cover the books with foam board on the front. So I cut these pieces to fit, and I drew out a design and used my Cricut Maker to cut vinyl and scrapbook paper and cardstock for all these designs. So I made some plants, some books. This is chalkboard vinyl, so I can erase it and write a different sign with chalk anytime. That's vinyl. I had a lot of fun designing these. This is a mixture of vinyl and cardstock scrapbook paper. This is layered vinyl, which I hadn't really done before. And I usually like to cover my television with a blanket or some other fabric or scarf. And when I was deciding what to do, I wanted to put this lamp here. So I drilled a hole in the top so the cord could plug in behind the television. So I hope you like what I did here. It was kind of hard choosing a color scheme because I couldn't really use white. It wouldn't show on my white foam board. But this has given me a lot of ideas to try for the future. Thanks for watching.